Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn sensitive content on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Scroll a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content You See. Now you can enable the button that says Display the media that may contain sensitive content. Next, tap on Search Settings. Disable the button that says Hide Sensitive Content. And that's it. Now you will be able content on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.